Just here in Nonsung. Just having a feed here with some friends, your wife, his missus. That's Rob there.
Hey everybody. We're gonna do a joint broadcast.
Yeah, he's got his own channel called Reset with Rob, R-O-B-B. I'll put his link in the description. And show some love and support, and hit him up with a subscription. It's cost free, so just smash that subscribe button for him. Watch his videos, put some likes and comments, help him out, show some love. This food here is absolutely mouth-watering. I get to have this every day.
This is killer good. I'm so glad to have you back, Davo. I missed the hell out of you, man.
Save you,
so
buddy.
Glad to have you back, man.
That's
awesome.
Rob there.
He's my brother, my big brother.
Okay guys, gonna finish off our meal. We'll catch you all later. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.